welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my first cooking video here. So I'm going to teach you guys how you can make this mango lassi we drink in our culture. I already made one here, as you can see. So I'm going to make another one. So first thing you're going to need, first come right here to the fridge over here. So there's this thing called mango pulp. You're going to want to get that, and yes, so you're going to want to get the mango pulp. Pour it in. Also, another thing you're going to need is milk. You can use any milk. I prefer almond milk because it's tastier as well. And the next thing you should do is you're going to pour the mango pulp in. Be careful, there's a chances of spilling. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I just, oops, I accidentally made a mess. I'll clean that up afterwards. And yes, so now you can just pour your milk in. Just pour it in. And then once you pour the milk in, you're gonna close the cap. Okay. Okay. Almost there. Okay, I closed the cap. Now, then I'll just put it in. Find that. And then once you do that, you can just take the lid off. Oh my god. Wait. Okay. Okay, yes, so now that I opened the lid, then you can just put this on, or you can pour it in a cup if you would like. I'm just going to put this on. And then, oh yes, I'll just grab a straw here. And then take a straw. Tastes really good. Yeah, it tastes good. If you do this correctly, you can get a drink, and then it tastes really good. So that's all for now then, and we both have a drink. And yes, so anyways, have a great day, guys, and enjoy your drink as well. Bye.